Previously, companies heavily relied on traditional hardware technologies and the transition to cloud servers was slow. However, the COVID-19 pandemic brought about a significant increase in the demand for cloud computing. Without cloud services, fulfilling customer demands would have been challenging for companies. Cloud computing has completely changed how businesses and people access and store data, applications, and services. It allows companies to adjust their computing resources according to their needs, which helps them save money and work more efficiently. With cloud computing, businesses don't have to spend much on expensive hardware, software, and maintenance costs, lowering their overall expenses. The growth of the cloud computing industry and its market size has witnessed a remarkable surge. In 2020, an estimated $252 billion was spent on various public cloud services. However, recent stats indicate that the spending on public cloud services escalated to $304 billion. This tremendous demand for cloud computing has resulted in some of the highest paying jobs in the cloud industry. Choosing cloud computing as your future career is clearly the right thing. But how? Which cloud computing career is right for you? How much you will get paid? Don't worry, we'll answer all your queries. In today's video, we'll take you through the top 5 highest paying cloud computing jobs in 2023. But before that, if you enjoy watching these videos and find them interesting, please subscribe to our channel because we bring the best videos for you daily. So without any further delay, let's get started. The field of information technology is constantly changing, and one of the best opportunities for success in IT is a job in cloud computing. So let's go through the top cloud computing jobs that are in demand right now and worth considering. The first job we are going to talk about is the job of a cloud network engineer. Cloud network engineers are professionals responsible for managing cloud infrastructures, whether on private, public, or hybrid platforms. Their role involves enabling organizations to operate with the flexibility and adaptability required to optimize their productivity. While specific job responsibilities may vary depending on the employer or the project, typical duties include designing, planning, and implementing client-specific cloud solutions, selecting the most suitable cloud service providers, ensuring the cloud network can effectively respond to user requests, expanding cloud services to support the growth of organizations, resolving issues as they arise, collaborating with stakeholders or business owners to determine growth strategies, monitoring the utilization of the cloud network, implementing robust security measures for cloud networks, ensuring compliance with relevant laws and regulations. In the United States, the average annual salary of a cloud network engineer is approximately $98,000 per year, although these salary figures might change according to the person's experience. You might go a little lower than this if you are applying for an entry-level position, but you will surely surpass this with time. The next job we are going to talk about is the job of a cloud system architect. Cloud system architects are responsible for strategizing, planning, designing, and enhancing various network and cloud projects within an organization. They collaborate closely with the IT team, serving as the primary resource for troubleshooting network architecture issues and proposing system improvements. To excel in this position, candidates should possess substantial experience in handling network and cloud technologies. Additionally, they should demonstrate exceptional technical problem-solving abilities and strong communication skills. In the United States, the average annual salary for a cloud system architect is $125,000 per year. The next job we are going to talk about is that of a cloud database engineer. A cloud database engineer is a professional who designs, implements, and manages databases hosted and operated within cloud computing environments. As workloads are increasingly transitioning to the cloud and the popularity of database as a service grows, database administrators are now more involved in working with cloud-based data. These professionals play a crucial role in managing cloud-based databases and guiding businesses in adopting new technologies such as the Internet of Things, blockchain, and AI, which are enabled by cloud computing. They collaborate directly with business leaders, managers, and customers to determine the most effective ways to leverage data for solving business challenges. In the United States, the average annual salary for cloud database engineer is around $110,000 per year. The next job is that of a cloud security analyst. Cloud security analysts play a vital role in ensuring the security of an organization's cloud systems and recommending specific measures to strengthen overall security, particularly related to cloud usage. These professionals are hands-on in identifying potential vulnerabilities and addressing security requirements during an organization's migration to the cloud. Candidates for these positions should have a strong background in computer science and engineering and knowledge of the latest security protocols, authentication, and certification. Basic requirements for these roles include excellent analytical and communication skills, and familiarity with cloud services like AWS, Microsoft Azure, and GCP is advantageous. In the United States, cloud security analysts earn an average salary of around $87,000 per year. The last job we are going to discuss today is that of a cloud automation engineer. Cloud automation engineers develop and create automated solutions for cloud infrastructure, including scripts and code for resource provisioning and configuration. They maintain and optimize the performance of cloud-based infrastructure by monitoring, troubleshooting, and implementing necessary changes. By collaborating closely with various IT teams such as developers, operations, and security, cloud automation engineers ensure that cloud infrastructures align with organizational requirements and supports its objectives. In the United States, the average annual salary for cloud database engineer is $103,000. These salary figures might change according to the person's experience. You might go a little lower than this if you are applying for an entry-level position, but you will surely surpass this salary with time. So which of these cloud computing careers you found the most interesting? Let us know in the comment section below. And with that, we have come to the end of this top 5 cloud computing jobs in 2023. I hope you guys must have got an idea about the different job roles in the field of cloud computing. If you still have any question or doubts related to that, let us know in the comment section below and our team of experts will help you at the earliest. Thank you so much for being here today. We'll see you next time. Until then, stay safe and keep learning with Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.